Hello and welcome to this new video. Now I'm going to show you how you can use your MacBook on a USB-C monitor with the charging disabled and with the lid closed. Now you may ask yourself, why do you want the charging disabled while the lid is closed? And yeah, if you use your MacBook often and all the time on a USB-C monitor, the battery is going to be constantly on 100%, which, well, it's not that healthy for the battery. So now we're going to find out how you can disable the charging. So for making this work, you have to install two apps. And as you can see here on the picture, you have to install Al Dente and Amphetamine. Al Dente you can search on the internet and download there. I'm going to link a video in the description on how to install Al Dente. And Amphetamine, this app you can just search in the App Store and download right there. After installing the two apps, the icons of the apps should show up in the menu bar. First you have to click on the Al Dente logo and then you have to click on Allow Discharge. Click on the amphetamine icon and select indefinitely or Command I. Then you have to click on the amphetamine logo again and on manual activation make sure that everything is disabled. Now after these steps, just connect your MacBook to the USB-C monitor and close the lid. The MacBook should now connect to your monitor. And as you can see, the MacBook is connected to the monitor, the lid is closed and the computer is not charging. If you want that your MacBook is charging again, just quit the Al Dente app. Now you can control by yourself if your MacBook should be charged or not while you use it on a USB-C monitor with the lid closed. This trick should also help to expand the lifespan of your MacBook's battery. If that video helped you, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.